No, so hot.
This is the worst thing I've ever seen. Why are you doing it like that?
He's like not gonna. Watching him do that probably isn't good for him.
You're an animal. You're not
Hang up.
Milk.
He's shaking.
So hot, but
I'm done.
Make sure you get all the meat.
You gotta get all
You
that.
gotta
You're
get
gonna
all
have to
the
go
meat.
back and do some cleanup. It's shaking. Are you getting this on video?
this is terrible.
Your mom is gonna be so proud
Please
of you,
email
Mark.
it to his mom. Look what Mark accomplished today.
And how to do it. You gotta do it faster.
I think that's good.
I doubt it, dude. That's been on your empty plate.
Yeah, you can tell me. Almost there, buddy.
What?
That was the grossest thing I've ever seen. Oh, no.
Alright, you're good.
Oh,
Let's get
damn.
some more napkins.
Mark here. Impressive.
That was less than 2 minutes. You're only at 147.
Oh, damn.
And then if you want to go to the bathroom, I would wash your hands and face.
Yeah, I don't want to touch my face.
I'll open the door for you.
Definitely wash your hands before you go to the bathroom.
Nicely done.
Shaking and crying. I can't stop crying.
Well done.
Nice job.
Alright, now your turn.
Yeah, no,
Can I get-
I'm just not
can I
gonna do
get a
that.
couple
Yeah.
Can I actually get more milk?
You want more milk?
Alright, can I stop filming? Are we good?
Yeah, yeah.